Sue here again from Sue's Dolbrodmaeth garden today, and it's the 27th of August 2022, and I have my family here, which is great. I just want to show you what me and my grandson's done yesterday. My hair is a bit wild today. Anyway, it's a beautiful day again, sun's shining. Hold on. There, sorry, I had to open the gate. Anyway, let me just show you quickly, while everybody's still upstairs. I've just let the chickens out. What me and my grandson's done yesterday. So I'm just going to show you right now. What we did yesterday, see, when we had the pond created, had this massive edge round it. Can you see that? So what we're doing is flattening it basically. So it's we're keeping all the earth, obviously. We've got all the earth here. We've piled all this up yesterday, me and my grandsons. We done all this, and all these rocks we got out of it, which we're keeping to put around the top of the pond area. But this is all the earth in the pond around the edge. So what we're going to do today is a bit more. So I said to the boys, we're going to do this for the week while they're here, because it's good for them to have a project. And you know, one's 14 and one's 11, and it's good for them to have a project to do something. And it's lovely because I get really close to my grandsons, and last year we done a project over the other side of the rockery. Well, Simon done that with them, but they remember all these things. It's nice to video it. So today I will video them actually doing some digging, and then they can look back over it, like in the winter and stuff, or whenever they want. Anyway, I do appreciate my grandsons very much, and they're very lovely, 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 lovely boys. So here we go. So today we're going to do a bit more of this. So we're going to dig. I think in the morning now would be a good time to come out and do it, because it's not too hot yet. And if you see, it's quite deep here. So we're going to do probably not too much of this side, because it's quite a hot day today. So I think maybe to here this much today, because we want to go out. So I don't want to knacker them out too much. So we could do that much, like from there to there. And we might do it later, because they're going to get all dirty, because it's very dirty work. That's the only trouble. Anyway, I'll figure it out. Anyway, we'll be doing some more today at some point in time. So I just want to show you that. Maybe everybody might muck in today, who knows? Because it needs to be done. It needs to be done like soon, so that I can order the pond liner before winter. I want to order it. But as you can see, I'm sort of flattening it. But Simon said we need to get a measure, because we need to make sure that the two sides, this side and that side, are the same height for the water level or something. I don't know. Anyway, whatever. I'm just watering my polytunnel right now. And I'll see you in a bit, because I'll show you when the boys are over here and when they're actually doing some work. 28th of August 2022. And I just want to show you what the lads done today. I haven't actually helped them do the garden today, because I was actually cleaning out the chickens and doing the dinner. So I've got to go back and do the dinner now, get changed and look presentable. Then we're going to go for a walk later after dinner. Anyway, let me just show you what the boys did today, and Ben. I'll show you what the lads did today. So Ben and the boys. Oh, there's a butterfly. Big butterfly. Show you what the lads did today over by the pool area, you know, the pond. So we've got a load more dirt here. Load more. And look what they did today. So I've done loads today, look. So they've done from here, roughly here, I think, somewhere here, all the way down there today, all the way to there. So I've done all that and flattened it, so it's getting done. And then tomorrow will be that little lump there, and then round this side, which is where we're going to actually put the rockery. So I don't think this side is as bad at all. Well, we'll start from this end, I think, but we need to figure out where we're going to put the rockery next, because the next lot of earth we could pile up with all a load of rocks. So we need to decide where that's going tomorrow, and we'll start creating the rockery bit. So looking good, eh? So that's what they did today. So I'm just going to go and have a wash. I feel really dirty after being out here with the chickens. Ugh. And I'll put a load of more mulch on these potatoes here. And also I took some potatoes for dinner out of here today. And they're all done, these potatoes, but they're right near the surface, so they still need mulching. So as they die back, I'll mulch them more. And then I've put a load more of the stuff out of the polytunnel, out of the chicken house, onto this new no-dig bed that I'm creating here now. I don't put them on where the squashes are because I don't want the birds to come and upset them and anything. So I leave all the squash beds with no mulch on now. They're all mulched anyway. And create new mulch beds. So here's a bed here. Yeah, so there you go. Look at that. So it's all looking pretty good. Anyway, I'm going to go now and have a wash. Okay, alright, I'll see you again soon. Just work away. So, this week, the pond has been done all around here. We're doing all of it. Got to do it all today. This is it. Yeah, just to where that rock is, but don't go too low because you can see we got to take some of this off here, off this edge, because it's higher than that side. Can you see that? You can. Yeah, but let's just finish that corner bit first. There's a great big load of stuff there.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Just carry on as normal. Yeah, so we're gonna. Yeah, so this bit's all been done, and then you can see there's a raised bit there, and then there where they're going, and then we're getting to that pipe there, which is the level. We want to be slightly higher than that pipe, and then all round this side has all been done. So, and there's all the rocks that we got out, and there's all the earth. So that's all the earth off the edge. There's a couple more rocks over there. There's a load of roots and grass here. So yeah, big rocks. There's a big rock. It might rain. So we've got to get this done today because this is the last day, and then when it rains I will be able to see where all the sharp rocks are in here, and I will go in there and clear them out, and then I'm going to order the pond liner. So that's what's happening over here. And if we look over here on our squashes, they're looking a bit yuck, so we're going to have to get them out and pick all the butternut squash. So okay, Ollie's taking a great big rock over there. Just done that. So anyway, we'll record in a minute when we've done this little bit here, and then we're going to just do this edge here, and then we'll stand by over the other side and check that it looks level by eye. Okay, so carry on with that bit first. We need to clear all that bit. Let's not do this bit yet. This is last. That's major amount of earth there. So we're going to go and do that bit. The last pile of dirt to go. See if they get on all right together. Let's hope so. That's it. Remember, this is going to be on YouTube, boys. Happy, jolly guys they are. Working together as a team. Team building skills, these are. Look at them go. So we've nearly done the whole of the levelling around the ponds now. We've been testing it with the drain pipe. They're nearly done. I will be checking it in a minute to make sure there's no big stones left. So what we've done is take off all of the surface and try and rake up as many stones as possible and try and get them off of the grass here, like this. Still some here on this grass, so that when Simon mows it, he doesn't get whacked in the face by a stone. Right, how are we doing? Right, rake into a little pile.
Okay.
And last bit to pick up. There's still quite a few stones in there, look. What is that weird smell?
What is that?
Like chemical smells. Weird, isn't it? Weird smelling, yeah, folks. Weird smell. We need to move this. Is this in the way? Is it alright?
Is it?
Don't go too far in. Just scoop gently. Right, last push. We're picking up those. Right, off you go, boys. Hands together. Away you go. There they go. Ollie, Harry, nearly done it. Woohoo! Nearly done. Way. Good. Way. There they are. Cheers.
Good.
Cheers.
Right.
Cheers. Now we're going to just test the level of the thing. So Ollie, stand that side. Ollie, come back. We're not finished yet. Come back. No, get back here. You that side. Harry this side. We're just going to roll this so I can test it straight. Okay. So start this end. Just lift it, bring it here, and then lay it at the beginning so we can see how straight it is. That's okay. Roll it together in the same amount of area. Yeah, it looks, oh, it's a little bit off, but it's only a little bit. Carry on. Mind the bumps. Try not to put it on top of a bump. Yeah, that looks all right. Carry on. Yeah, that looks all right. Last bit. Yeah, well done. Right, I think that's straight enough. May have to level it off a little bit, but never mind. So move that pipe back over there. So that's it. Pond is done. So the next job for the pond for me, boys are going tonight, so they won't be doing the next bit, but I will be. So I will be going back in here and I will be clearing out all them rocks, and then I have to wait for it to rain because I need to make a ledge. I can't make a ledge, it's so dry. So once it rains we'll make a ledge, but hopefully it's deep enough and then we can put the carpet in to make it soft, and then I can get the pond liner. Oh. So we're going to get the pond liner next. Right, boys, tools away, wash hands last. God. Right, just putting the tools away now. Right, yeah. You've got to put all the tools away first, then you wash your hands last when you've finished working. You're not finished working. Wash your hands.
Before, you see massive earth. That's how much earth you move.
Yeah, look, there's a lot of earth. Look, massive pile. It's actually huge, actually. But it's not just there, it goes all the way around here. Like a massive mountainous range. We could actually make Snowdonia National Park out of this, I think. Look, there's Mount Snowdon there. What do you call it? The one round here. Cador there. And a load of, and we live over here somewhere. Looks like the mountain range. And then we got a load of metal stuff we found. We don't know what this is. Looks like part of a machine. Some weird stuff there. We'll have to go and put that over there. Bit of plastic and loads and loads and loads of rocks, slate and bricks. Massive amount, but I will be using these when we do the rockery and to pin down the liner basically. And some rocks have to go in the pond for the you know, you don't have it just empty, you have it like rocks inside once the liner's in, which will be on some carpet. Let's get in there, boys. Well done. Thank you very much for your help.
Right.
Yeah, you've been really good. Thank you very much. Ollie, don't forget that green thing over there. There you go.
Put these in the wheelbarrow.
Yeah. Harry, wait.
They won't fit, they're too long.
Oh, they'll be alright. You can get them in there.
So they'll fall out.
No, just hold the handles. Make it so the handles are facing this way. Turn them round. And away they go. And Ollie's off. Well done. Just look at my pond now. Need it to rain now so it settles. Once it rains, I'll be able to see it settle. I'll just go in there and get all them rocks out. I might do it tomorrow, but it's roughly level, as we just showed you with the pipe. Might be a little bit higher on that side than that side, but it won't matter, it'll be alright. Anyway, they're going home today, so I wanted them to help me finish it because it's good for them to have a project. Every year when they come, I'll try and give them a project to help us with stuff in the garden and stuff. It's good for them, it's good for their souls, and then when they look back over this video they can say, we did that, we helped Nanny do that. And Ben did it a bit on one of the days, he done some as well. So everybody's contributed to the pond. So, and my partner will be helping me with the liner, so his jobs are yet to come. And we might be needing to use some of this earth again, I don't know yet, but then we're going to have to get this earth removed. I don't know how we're going to get it removed, I don't know what we're going to do with it. We'll think about that. Some of it's going to go around the rockery. I'm thinking the rockery should be on the bit that sticks out basically, and I think those rocks should go there. Yeah, I think we should create the rockery here, like, you see what I'm saying. See, the rockery, I think, needs to go where this lump is, in this area here. That's along here. That's where I'm going to put it anyway. I'm going to put it there. So that's where it's going to go. I feel like it needs to be there. Yeah, there's nowhere else for it to go basically. And that's where it's going to be. It's going to be a really big rockery actually, going all the way to that end and then coming all the way down here, so we can get rid of most of this and a lot of this. Anyway, that's it. So Siobhan's going to come out next, and she's going to get some potatoes. So we're going to harvest some potatoes from here so she can take them home, and I'll probably give her a spaghetti squash because they are ready, and I think I'll give her one of them. So I need to go and get my knife to cut them. Yeah, we need to take these off now because these are well mildewed. So we need to take off the spaghetti squash, I think. Take them all off. They're all different sizes.